Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to be making some Cajun Shepherd Pie. Okay, now for the fun part, other than eating it later. We want to put together the meat and the eggs and all of our beautiful vegetables and our breadcrumbs together. Alright, so in a bowl, a mixing bowl of any type you'd like, we're going to put the ground beef. Put that in there. This aside. Put the ground pork in too. And put that aside. We're going to put all of our vegetables that we just cut. So this is our bell pepper and celery and onion. Let's pour that right in there. Put that aside. And then our breadcrumbs. Very fine. This is going to be our binder to this. And then our liquid is going to be just the eggs. So you want to break 2 eggs into this. So those will go in. And this is where you want to have your hands really clean. And then you want to just start breaking all of this together. Because this is going to make your meatloaf, or as a base for our Cajun Shepherd pie.